Opinion trends in wedding photography. Wedding photography is constantly evolving, and 2024 brings some exciting trends that couples and photographers alike are embracing. Here are some of the latest trends. 1. Blurred action shots. This trend captures movement and adds a dreamy, romantic quality to photos. It brings a sense of motion and emotion to the images. 2. Disposable cameras. Couples are placing disposable cameras on reception tables, allowing guests to capture candid moments from their perspective. This adds a fun and nostalgic element to the wedding album. 3. Documentary/photojournalistic style. This approach focuses on capturing real, candid moments rather than posed shots. It tells the story of the day in a natural and authentic way. 4. Drone photography. Aerial shots provide a unique perspective of the wedding venue and can capture stunning landscapes and group photos from above. 5. Film photography. There's a resurgence in the use of film for its nostalgic and timeless quality. Film photos often have a distinct look that digital can't replicate. 6. Direct flash photography. This style uses direct flash to create bold, high-contrast images. It's a throwback to the look of old-school film cameras and can add a dramatic flair to wedding photos. 7. Under the veil portraits. These intimate shots capture the couple under the bride's veil, creating a soft and romantic effect. These trends reflect a mix of modern technology and classic techniques, offering couples a variety of styles to choose from for their special day.